right? So when you're on the phone with me, we'll kind of go through some numbers, I'll ask you some questions and give you a basic number as to what I think I can approve you for based upon a verbal conversation, right? Now remember, once I get your documents and I verify everything, the number could change. It could go up or it can go down, right? So when we talk on the phone and I give you some basic stuff, take it with a grain of salt. I've got to see supporting documentation to determine what your actual purchase price is going to be. Numbers can vary. You may have missed some things. We may have missed some things. We have to make sure we get the docs to confirm what you get approved for. Okay. Also, remember two things. You can increase the amount that you need if you add somebody with you as a co-signer or co-borrower or non-occupant co-borrower. And if we give you a high amount, that doesn't mean you've got to use every bit of that high amount. Okay. You can use as much as you want to up to that amount. But if we approve you for, we'll say, $500,000, but you only need $200,000, so be it. You can use the $200,000. Okay. Now, remember, the number that we give you also, it may be unaffordable. We may have to realize that, hey, you see this house that looks great on TikTok or on Facebook being advertised and you want it, but that payment would be a little bit steep. We may have to lower our expectations of what we think that we can afford. Keep that in mind.